Okay, guys. So if you look at the news here, see today we have the lots of news from the USD currency pair. See core retail sales agency manufacturing whatever news it is, non-farm employment. See, so this red color indicates that it has a high volatility in the market. Okay, so and then also we have 7:30. Okay, so if you look at the market right now, see because of the news, if you look at the see USD currency pair, the candle is quite unusual here. So if we can get any opportunity, then we will try to take trade. If not, then we will not be taking trade. Okay. So here, see, quite unusual. So this month, the March of month, because of geopolitical wars and then news about oil and war, everything, the market is quite unstable. Okay, we are going to the downward direction here. Okay, so let's enter one trade here again. So the reason, I will explain the reason behind the trade. Okay, so here it has already been mitigated. The liquidity has been swept here. Okay, so there's the probability that the next candle will went to the downward direction here. Okay, so let us see. So it's in our favor right now. So we still have around 11 seconds, 10 seconds, 9 seconds, 7 seconds. Okay, so this is a winning trade. So the reason is that, let us just analyze the market. So I have already analyzed the market earlier. So see, this is the lower low, the inducement already been swept, the external liquidity. Okay, so this is the only pullback which has been unmitigated. Okay, so this is also, I think we also have the pullback here. So we have the pullback here. So this we can act as the order block. Okay, which has been swept, the liquidity has been swept. Okay, so the liquidity has been swept for multiple times here, and then see it has swept the liquidity, and then it is also creating a bearish gap. So this bullish gap did not able to break out. That's the reason why I have waited for the mitigation and sweep of the liquidity, and then we place a break here, and this is the winning candle. So two breaks, one. So it is getting a good rejection from this particular gap, and then the candle was not able to break out this target, so it's better to wait for the retracement. This is the same market that we have taken the break. So this liquidity has been swept, the order block has been mitigated. So this is the equal high which has been swept already, which means that equal high means the liquidity is there. So the liquidity has been swept already, and then it is creating the bearish gap, indicating the downward movement. Okay, so the candle did not went up, and it's directly moving to the downward direction here. So if the market price mitigated the gap, and got the rejection, so we are going to take one break to the downward direction here. So the first trade on this candle resulted in a loss, so we have taken 2 breaks here. So because there is the resistance level here, and then the market has already grabbed the equal high liquidity, so only because the liquidity has taken, I have placed my trade. If there is no equal high and then the liquidity is not taken, I'm not going to place on this candle because this particular candle has breakout the gap, which okay, but then even though it has a breakout, the liquidity has been from the upper side, the equal high, so which because of that reason I place my trade to the downward way, because we also have the resistance here. So we have taken 5 breaks for 1 and 1 loose.